You're on.
This is how you make the perfect snow cone.
Say to the camera.
This is how you make the perfect snow cone. So, you need to buy a snow cone maker. Snowball maker. Buy clean snow.
Clean snow, right? Not yellow snow.
Don't eat yellow snow.
Look. Oh, we lost it. Oh, but yeah, we gotta get down the ends. Oh, that looks perfect. Okay. Look at that.
Nice.
Look at
And
that.
we will add a little flavor.
Yeah, and you puff it down just a little bit. Pack it down. There you go. You want to hold it and I'll add the flavor? Okay.
We're adding maple syrup.
Yeah.
Basket maple syrup.
Yes.
And we're going to pour it all
Ooh, yummy.
up. And Lauren is going to take the first taste to make sure it came out okay.
All right, ready?
Here we go.
2, 3.
Yeah.
Perfect?
The perfect snow cone.
Perfect snow cone.